Hi, I'm Nikki, Neff Ambassador, and I'm going to show you how to use steam on your Berrio steam or full steam oven. Before using the steam oven, you'll need to fill up the water tank. Press the hinge panel button and the control panel will automatically lift up. Push the control panel all the way up and remove the water tank, then fill it up to the fill line before reinserting it and closing the control panel. Now the oven is ready to use the steam program. You can use the full steam function to steam things like fish, vegetables or rice. If you're using Berrio steam, you can add steam to an existing cooking function by pressing the steam button and choosing the desired level of steam. I find Berrio steam is great for cooking joints of meat as it gives you a succulent, juicy roast. Once the program is finished, don't forget to empty the water tank so it's ready for the next time you need to use it. So that's how you use the steam function on your Berrio steam or full steam oven. If you have a connected appliance like I do, open the Home Connect app, click your oven and select the desired steam function from the menu.